The 5 vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U.
Hi, I am Piku. I am playing football. Would you like to play with me? What is this? Something is inside the bottle. Let us see what is it. Oh, there are 5 vowels. This A, this is E, this is I, this is O, and this is U. Do you know? These vowels are used in all the words. Let me give you some examples. Apple. In this word, there are 2 vowels, A and E. Ant. In this word, A is vowel. Hen. In this word, vowel is E. Pen. E is vowel. Inkpot. In this word, I and O are vowels. Pin. I is a vowel in this word. Ox. O is a vowel in this word. Fox. In this word also, O is a vowel. Cup. In this word, U is a vowel. Pup. U is a vowel. So, did you understand? A, E, I, O, U are vowel sounds, and these vowels are used in every word.